Trying to get a shelf for the bed with phones and drinks and stuff. This is the Squirrel, the bedside perch. It's a plastic container. It's got these two rods. Push them in. They snap. Snaps in. You see there's a little USB port here. Plug into the wall and you have USB-A and USB-C output ports. Comes with a really long cable, but doesn't have a charger. So this is two USB-C ends on it. So I have an existing wire plug in the back, and this just slides underneath the mattress. And that's how it works. Oh, there it goes. I've got the power cord coming in and output power cord going out the back to the tablet, glasses. Kind of interesting.